Oil daily forecast March 2nd, FXEmpire.com. Light sweet crude markets rose again during the Thursday session as it bounced from what would have been considered just a beautiful technical signal as we broke the 105 barrier, came back and retested, formed a hammer which showed support, and actually shot up through 110 at one point or another. Later in the day, that happened actually, and that was predicated basically upon news reports coming out of the Middle East that a pipeline in Saudi Arabia had exploded. This, of course, was denied later by the Saudis, and you can see that we did pull back a bit. But the effect was still the same. Most of this move came before that was announced that happened. So, having said that, it does look like the support is held, and now it's just a matter of how long we're going to stay at 110 because it does look like we are going to break through it. We, based upon the previous rectangle that we had drawn, we expect the move to be up to 115, and it does happen to coincide with resistance on the longer term charts. So we're still looking at a 115 handle. We're willing to buy on pullbacks as long as we're above 105, and quite frankly, wouldn't even remotely consider selling until we were sub 100. Looking at forward, we are adding to our positions going higher, and a daily close above the 110 would be enough to have us really latch onto the position and aim for at the very least 115. Once we get above 115, it's probably a matter of every $5 or so, as this market does tend to be very technical, that we will see some type of reaction or resistance. The fundamental issues around the Iranians and the lack of supply for certain countries around the world continues. So there should be nothing but upward pressure on this contract over the longer run.